In this web clip, I will demonstrate the various options for coloring molecules in the 3D viewing window. We will look at the various coloring molecule options of a dataset in Torch. However, these options are equally available in Forge. There are a number of ways to color molecules in the 3D viewing window. The molecule coloring options are found in the Display Molecule Color submenu. We can color by basic colors, residue, radial plot multi-parameter optimization score, column, or properties, for example log P or activity, and finally autocolor, where we color each molecule a different color. In this file, I'm showing a set of DPP-4 inhibitors spanning an activity range of PIC50 5.8 to 9.4. I will select a few structures by clicking on the Molecules table. Note at the top of the screen there is a drop-down list where we can pick which subset of molecules our display choices will affect. We will apply our actions to selected molecules. To change the color of the selected molecule, we will go to Display, Molecule Color, where we can choose a specific color. You will also notice that the color of the background for the structure in the Molecules table has been updated. Now, let's turn on the protein structure and select the protein as the molecule we want to color. Go to Display, Molecule Color, Color by Residue. We see that each residue is colored, which makes rapid identification easier. Turn the protein off and go back to looking at the ligands. In the Molecules table, we see a radial plot, which plots a number of parameters simultaneously and has a multi-parameter optimization score associated with it. This MPO score can be used to color the ligands. Select all of the ligands and color by radial plot. For this data set, the overall properties are reasonably good, as can be seen by the green coloring. Let's now look at the ligands colored by a specific value that is in one of the columns in the Molecules table. Go to Display, Molecule Color, Color by Column. This opens up a panel where we choose which column to use for coloring. Let's choose Primary Activity, which is our PIC50 column. We see that the vast majority of the compounds are active, shown in green, but there are also a few that are low and mid-level active. This is more obvious if we sort the data on primary activity by clicking on the column header. We can look at a few of the most active and a few of the least active ligands in the context of the protein active site, and flick between to see if there's any basic structure-activity relationship information that can be understood. Finally, we can automatically assign a different color to each of the ligands. If you have any questions or would like additional information regarding rendering and coloring in the Cresset environment, please contact us by emailing support@cresset-group.com.